Hey guys, we're currently with Aaron's Fairlane, and I'm taking a break from that fuel line because I was getting frustrated with it. I'm attempting to do all the brake hard lines going to the proportioning valve. So this is the passenger front. We have the driver front right here. This is gonna be mounted on the other side. I just have it there so I can line up like that. And then this one's gonna have to be bent. Like this is gonna have to go out a little bit, like kind of like that.
Let me know when the book comes out.
Because this is gonna be on the other side, so it's gonna come down and out and then into there. And then I have to run all the way.
That goes after that, and it's got a K in it.
All the way back there.
Yeah.
So that line right there. It's just very time consuming. It's a lot of trial and error and planning, especially when it's fully custom. Because this did not come with that. It just had one bowl, or it was using just one bowl, and just a junction, no proportioning valve. So we have to redo all of the lines, and yeah, it's just very time consuming, and it's definitely taking a while. Lots of planning, lots of trial and error. Like I messed up this one once already, and I started to do the other ones. I just had to step away because I was getting pretty pissed at it. Nothing was cooperating. So just lots of back and forth practicing and attempts. So this one's looking pretty good. Get that bent over a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to do that little bend. And of course I'm gonna have to cut this up to here to trim so it can actually go in. But yeah, so hopefully when you guys see me again, I'll have this line done.